Hi guys! Surprise! Another journal with me for this week. I am trying to make up from the loss of days that I forgot to post, so expect a whole week of journal with me. Well, don't expect too much, but yeah. I know I haven't been posting on my regular days, but nevertheless, I'm still filling up this little journal of mine. So the following videos or journals with me are a bit of a throwback, so I hope you will still like it. Anyways, this video will be a quick one. It's just a little update on my room. Joel, our carpenter, who I like to call Joel the Builder, I finally came through with the built-ins for my room. My room is at its 75% completeness, if that even is a word. I was able to glue in the wallpaper that I got from Divisoria. It's an easy stick-on wallpaper with texture and brick detailing. I got 10 pieces for only 1,200 pesos. So if you want a cheap add-on detail to your room, this is a good way to go. They also cater to different designs if you don't really like the brick designs. So yeah, here's a little clip of me trying to measure it out and see how it will all fit in my wall. So yeah, actually I don't know if I would show you the clip. I look a little bit of haggard dun sa clip na yun, so apologies for that. Yeah, this is just a little update on my room. So plus a little update on my room tour is coming any day now, but sadly not this month just yet. Anyways, this is a quick room update. If you like this video, again, don't forget the mandatory thumbs up button and the red subscribe button to be updated for new videos to come. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy this video.
This is the current state of my room. Watching a little PewDiePie at the background. I'll have that wall over there painted, of course. But yeah, trying to clean and organize my room. So far, I don't have any progress yet. So I'll get back to you when things done, maybe.